Start for Yakubu Ipin Cholakovu from Turkey. Next one up, Mara Yudu from Romania. Start with Mara Yudu from Romania in Mara. We continue with Isabel Petlivanova from Bulgaria. Start with Isabel Petlivanova. We continue with Angeliki Aliaki of Greece. Start with Angeliki Aliaki di Grecia. Continuo sulla parte centrale in Serbia, Nina Miličković. Start for Nina Miličković of Serbia. And let's try to get Scandinavia. Zeynep Bayram of Turkey closes this category. Under 17 women of the other category. Start for Antoine Bogdanov of Bulgaria. And next one up from Albania, Luis Paglioni. Bib number 68. Start for Luis Paglioni from Albania. Next one up. Start for Durazan of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Next one up from Greece, Angelos Fotenopoulos. Start for Angelos Fotenopoulos of Greece. Next one up from Moldova, Vedrovica. Start with Vedrovica in Moldova. We continue with ladies in the house. Start for Yana Kacevic of Serbia. Next one up, number 75, Rani Angelo of Bulgaria. Start for Rani Angelo of Bulgaria. Next one up from Albania, Jovan Skegdi. Jovan Skegdi of Albania, on track. Next one up, big number 102 for Efe Ahmed Sakar of Turkey. Okay, și o să fac asta la feminin și vedea după ea din Turcia, Zeynep Bayram. Start for Ahmed Sakar of Turkey. Next one up from Bosnia and Herzegovina, Nina Mustacevic, bid number 73. On track, Nina Mustacevic of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and the last finisher, Zeynep Bayram of Turkey. Again, in Bulgaria, Isabel Petlivanova. On track, number 81, Karilaos Lianis of Greece. Next one up from Moldova, Ilia Hristov. Și mai chiar în 1938, Angeliki Aliaki din Grecia. Petrasel, Ilia Hristov din Moldova, 89. Moving forward, number 98. Start for Lasati Erinic of Serbia. We continue with Matei Cucu of Romania, number 95. Matei Cucu on track number 95. And next one, Martin Blazeski of Northern Macedonia on track. We continue with Dimitar Medvedev. On track with Dimitar Medvedev of Bulgaria. We continue with Dmitry Legionov, coming from Albania, sporting bib number 71. Dmitry Legionov of Albania on track, sprinting hard. Next one up, Turkey, Karaman Mohamed Abdurrahman. On track, Karaman Mohamed Abdurrahman of Turkey, number 101. Next one up, number 72. Start for Ismara Haidara Milosevic of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Next one up, bib number 82 from Greece, Achilleas Deris Panagiotis. Start for number 82 from Greece, Achilleas Deris Panagiotis. Next one up from Moldova, Semyon Michikovsky, bib number 88. Semyon Michikovsky in Moldova, Petrasel, position. Taking with number 100 from Serbia, Dusan Stojadinovic. On track with Dusan Stojadinovic of Serbia, and closing his category from Romania, number 91, Gabriel Antonake. On track, number 91 from Romania, Gabriel Antonake. Ljudmila Kilova of Bulgaria. Next one up, number 136, Eleni Kastani of Greece. On track, Eleni Kastani of Greece. Elisa Natalia Mayer. Elisa Mayer, Romania, Petrasel. Nikolia Vucevic of Serbia on track. Full screen pentru diviziunea masculină numărul 102. Yusuf Arasai from Turkey on track. Next one up from Albania, Nicole Donaku. Nicole Donaku representing Albania on track right now. Jessica Chan from Bulgaria in the house on track right now. Next one up, Anastasia Montolian from Greece. Start for Anastasia Montolian from Greece. Next one up, Romanian rider number 29, Yana Lescamades. Start for Yana Lescamades. Alexandra Stanic for Serbia on track. And next one up, finish behind Dwaka di Moldova, 54. We continue with Bulgaria. Smash into gears from the very beginning. Next one up, number 61, Igor Davidov on track. Next one up, number 50, Nikola Spensky from Macedonia. Nikola Spensky, equivalent real from Macedonia. Next one up, Nikolaos Musakis of Greece. Number 48, Nikolaos Musakis of Greece. But follows number 31, Theo Medusic from Herzegovina. Next one up, Matkeyan Vedula, Albania, number 38. Vedula Matkeyan of Albania, on course right now. Matej Paris, Almadei. Starter number 64, Sayan Hafkanawa out of Turkey. Next one up, number 55 from Moldova, Egor Gisa. Egor Gisa, continue to Pavel Nikitov from Bulgaria, number 43. Pavel Nikitov of Bulgaria, baby. And two more to go, number 62. Stojanovic of Serbia. Vuk Stojanovic of Serbia on the track right now, so it's been hard on the very beginning. Konstantin Kostovski of Macedonia on the track right now. We take a 5-minute break, we'll be back then with the elite unplayable women. Start from Bojana Jovanovic of Serbia in the elite unplayable women's category. On track, Christian Elimani of Turkey. Next one up, number 114 from Romania, Alexandra Cioclu. Alexandra Cioclu was quite special in Romania. Continue, number 107, Ivana Tomkova of Bulgaria. Ivana Tomkova on track right now, the 107. Next one up. Start for Elena Petrova of Macedonia, number 12. Next one up is Stefanovic of Serbia, 116. Start and go for Elena Stefanovic of Serbia. We continue with Reyhanli Akishir of Turkey on track right now. And moving forward to the last few runners in this class. Go, Barbara Fasoy of Greece. And next one up, number 113 from Romania, on the track, ready to rumble, Juliana Stoyanova from Bulgaria. And number one more category. Next one up. Next one up. Nikita Higuda on track right now with 30. Next one up at 30. On track for Bosnia and Herzegovina, Andres Čehajić. Ivan Dolny-Shipadu. Yolanda Petrov on track right now with the support of his fellow Radila Talic of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Moving forward with the number 1 from Albania, Alexia. Ahmed Gurket in Turkey, go baby. 4 more runners to go, number 19. Go, number 19. Nicolas Matos of Greece. Mina Yassin. Number 7 is Bologna. 2 more runners to go, number 18 for Bulgaria. And it's going up number 13. No, okay, from Serbia, on track. And North Macedonia, number 50. Third place for the under-17 women time trials today, Angeliki Aleiraki. Local Traila, third place for Angeliki Aleiraki in the under-17 women category. Is she here? Oh yeah, so the Greek national team. A bit busy to get her flag. Of course, no worries, please. Step up to the podium. Applause for Gantamos, please give her a big hand. Big applause. The bronze medal today, and of course some flowers for the from our main culprit. Second position today in the under-17 ladies department, Bianca Pătrascu from Romania. Bianca Pătrascu shaking the hand, and now stepping up to the second spot on the podium with the silver medal. Applause for Bianca Pătrascu. And the winner today, the under-17s women category with 15 minutes, 12 seconds 43, Mara Persoiu Târâtu. Asta nu mai dă muzica sus, te rog. We also have the Vice Mayor of the City of Dărmănești here with us, domnul viceprimar al orașului Dărmănești. Câștigătoare astăzi la Under-17 feminin, Mara Persoiu Târâtu. The winner of today's time trial in the Under-17. And also with the jersey that comes with this result and her gold medal. Wear it with pride. Once again, congratulations and healthy applause for the ladies, Mara, Bianca, and Angeliki. The group photo on the first step. That's the spirit. Nice one, ladies. Congrats. You did well today. Thank you very much. We continue the prize giving ceremony with under-17 men. Sub 17 ani băieți. Third position in this department with 22 minutes 14 seconds. Relia Nikacevic from Serbia. Of course, donning the Serbian flag. Relia Nikacevic on the third position with the bronze medal offered by the Vice Mayor of the city of Dărmănești, where we are. Congratulations, handshake, and once again applause for Relia. Second place today in the under 17 men time trials, 21 minutes 52, Angelis Fotainopoulos from Greece. The Greek flag once again on the podium, and the boys are happy. A silver medal by the Vice Mayor, handshake and applause for Angelos. The big winner today in the under 17 men time trial with 21 minutes 28 seconds from Romania, Gabriel Andronache. Bravo, Gabriel. All the flags on the stage. Gold medal from our Vice Mayor of Garmanești, and Catalin Sprânceanu, the President of the Romanian Second Federation, offers the jersey of the winner today. Balkan Championships, time trials. It's a good Wednesday. Once again, applause for the boys. Reli, Angelos and Gabriel. Okay, thank you very much, boys. We continue. We go to the under 19 women, sub-19 feminin. In the under 19 women time trials today, in the third place with 23 minutes 40 seconds, Iana Alesia Baltes from Romania. Hi, Iana. Iana with the flag, of course, and her bronze medal offered by the Vice Mayor of the city of Garmanești. Congratulations, Iana, and also some flowers by our President of the Federation. Thank you. Congrats. Applause for Iana once again. Second place today, under 19 women, 23 minutes 35 seconds for Jessica Chan of Bulgaria. Jessica Chan, the second spot with her silver medal, and also the mandatory flowers. Everything set. Applause once again for Jessica. Winner today in the under 19 ladies with 23 minutes 20 seconds, Eleni Kaskani from Greece.
Bravo, Eleni, bravo.
Proud of representing Hellas. Gold medal for Eleni Kaskani. Now Bogdan comes with the winner's jersey of the Balkan Cycling Union. No worries, we have time. No rush. And now we're ready to carry the flag and to hand over the flowers as well. So please make some noise for these three ladies, for Eleni, for Jessica, and for Iana. Bravo! You did well today. Congratulations. And may you be quick in the future too. Thank you very much. We continue with the under 19 men. In third position with 37 minutes 45 seconds, Pavel Dimitrov. Pavel Dimitrov representing Bulgaria in today's time trial race. We kindly ask all champions not to leave. We want to take a photo of all of you. Thank you very much. Applause once again for Pavel Dimitrov and his bronze medal. Congrats. Second place today in the under-19 men time trials with 37 minutes 0 seconds. Ece Erülkü from Turkey. Ece Erülkü rode well today, and he earns his silver. Okay, applause once again for our buddy Erülkü. And a winner today in the under-19 men with 36 minutes 19 seconds, Nikolaos Georgousakis from Greece. Nikolaos Georgousakis, his gold medal, and also accept the jersey of the Balkan champion, which you should wear. Little help from your friend Bogdan. Okay. Once again, some applause please for these boys, for Nikolaos, for Ege, and for Pavel. Once again, all the champs, please don't leave. We want to take a photo of all of you together after this is said and done. Thank you. We continue with the last leg, the elite and under-23 department. First with the ladies. For the ladies in third position, elite and under-23. Elena Petrova, 58 minutes 01. Elena Petrova from the North Macedonian national team. Elena Petrova, healthy handshake, even healthier bronze medal, and the mandatory flowers offered by our Bogdan, medal by the Vice Mayor of the city of Dărmănești. Second place today. Some applause for Elena once again, please. Second place today with 54 minutes 14 seconds, Gergana Stoyanova from Bulgaria. Gergana calmly shaking the hands of her colleague and accepting the silver medal. Congratulations. Also some flowers. And the applause for Gergana, please. Winner today in the time trials for the elite and under-23 women with 54 minutes 01, Varvara Fasoi, representing Hellas, aka Greece. Congratulations, Varvara. Your gold medal presented by the Vice Mayor of the city of Dărmănești, where we are at.
Varvara, το άλλο ήθελα να βάλεις, το μπλουζάκι το άλλο.
The Balkan champion jersey from Mr. Cătălin Sprânceanu, the president of our federation. Also flowers and some champagne. Applause for the ladies, for Varvara, Gergana, and Elena.
Μία μαζί όλες. Μία μαζί. Together. Λίγο, όχι άλλο.
And now we have to clean up. Congratulations. Congratulations, you did well today. more to come, hopefully. These were your elite and under 23 women, the time trials, and one more prize-giving ceremony to go. Please don't leave if you have a champ jersey. You need to take a photo with all of you. So, the male elite and under 23 time trials in third position today with 46 seconds 20, Romania's Emil Dima. Emil Dima, third place today, and the bronze medal. Found some time to make some jokes as well with our people here on the stage. The bronze and the handshake by the vice mayor, a little chit chat, and also some applause for Emil Dima. Second place today with 45 minutes 18 seconds, Ahmet Özken from Turkey. Ahmet Özken. The speedy rider for the second place and a well-earned silver medal, offered by the same vice mayor. Okay, maybe some applause again for Ahmet Özken. And our big winner today with 44 minutes 52 seconds, Ognjen Ilić. For the Serbian national team, Ognjen wins it today. The gold medal is his, and also the champ's jersey. The question is, will it fit? He's a huge guy. Let's see some aid from Mr. President. Yes, a little help will not harm you. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. And now a little champagne, a little handshake, and maybe some more applause for Ognjen, Ahmet, and Emil. Thank you very much. That was the first day on the 2025 Balkan Road Cycling Championships. And if you wear one of these jerseys, please come and take a photo with all the other champs next to the Bergenbier tents on the right side. Mulțumim frumos organizatorului Sports Academy Bacău, partenerii oficiali, Consiliul Județean Bacău, care este și principalul finanțator, San Marco, de asemenea, partener oficial. Un eveniment realizat cu sprijinul Primăriei Dărmănești, Primăriei